Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join Enyu Discord server on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we need to do is open up a web browser and go to Google. Once we're here, we want to type in Enyu Discord server and then hit enter. And then from here, we want to click on the first result that says Nakama, the official Me and You Discord server, where you can make new friends and talk everything blocks fruit. So click onto that link there, and that's going to redirect you to Discord. And then it'll say you've been invited to join Nakama, which is Enyu. So go ahead and click on accept invite. And then you should have a pop-up message saying welcome to Nakama, Enyu's official server. So don't be confused if it's named Nakama. This is Enyu's official Discord. So if I click back, you can see we've got blocks fruits with all the different channels here.